For many years, Figma sat on the throne. It was the untouchable tool. But in March 2026, everything changed. Google didn't just launch a design tool, they released what they call a design engine. Today we are talking about Stitch AI. Why are top Silicon Valley designers saying that Figma is now a manual tool in the age of automation? Are we looking at the end of the UI/UX profession as we know it? Buckle up, because what you are about to see today will change your perspective on design forever. Stitch is not just a platform where you draw. It is an application built entirely on advanced Gemini models. The philosophy here is called vibe design. In the past, we designed pixel by pixel, but in Stitch, you design with meaning and soul. The tool understands the context of your work. If you tell it, I want a banking interface that inspires trust, it does not just pick a blue color. It selects a layout that reduces user distraction based on data from millions of successful interfaces. Let's dive into the most powerful feature. In Figma, to create a dark mode, you need hours to adjust colors and variables. In Stitch, you write in the command box, convert the app to dark mode in a cyberpunk style. And in fractions of a second, all components are rebuilt, not just changing colors. The tool understands visual hierarchy in a terrifying way. How many times have you sketched an idea on a paper napkin or a whiteboard? Stitch has the strongest vision engine in the world. Just by uploading a photo of a hand-drawn sketch, the AI analyzes the lines and converts them into a high-fidelity design. And not only that, but it performs automatic auto layout, which is the feature designers spent months learning in Figma. In Figma, you need a full day to experiment with 3 different ideas. In Stitch, you can generate 50 versions in a minute. Prototypes in Figma are moving drawings. In Stitch, prototypes are real code. The buttons work, and the menus pull real data from an API. Stitch suggests your next step. I see you designed the sign-up page. Should I add the forgot password page for you in the same style? Figma is still waiting for you to draw everything yourself. A designer's biggest nightmare is handing off the design to the developer. Something always gets lost along the way. Google Stitch ends this suffering. Because it is built by Google, it generates very clean React Flutter, or HTML, CSS code, compatible with Material Design 3 standards. The developer will not need to guess dimensions. The code is ready to copy and work immediately. I will now build a yacht rental application. I will start with a simple description. Create a high-end mobile app UI for a luxury yacht rental service. Include a hero section with a stunning yacht image, a search bar for Mediterranean locations, and a grid of available boats with pricing and book now buttons. Look at the result. Now I will ask it to add a rating system. Integrate a dynamic star rating system and a customer testimonial slider for each yacht card. Make the interaction feel fluid and premium. Done. Now I will make the colors inspired by this sea image. Did you see? What I just did would have taken a full week of continuous work in traditional tools. The scary question, will companies replace designers? The answer is no, but they will replace the designer who only draws. The future belongs to the design director who knows how to direct artificial intelligence. Stitch is the brush, and you are still the artist. The difference is that your brush now has a brain. To be fair, Figma still has a massive community. The plugins and libraries are endless. Also, the precise control over micro interactions is where Figma still leads. Google Stitch is amazing for speed and massive productivity, but Figma is still the surgical scalpel for fine details. We are living a historical moment in the tech world. Stitch AI is not just an update, it is a redefinition of the meaning of design. If you are a designer, do not fear these tools. Instead, be the first to master them. My question for you today, do you think Figma will make a sudden move and launch its own AI that defeats Google, or has the train already left the station? I have prepared a link to try Stitch in the video description. Try it and tell me your results. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because we will be making a full tutorial series for Stitch soon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Revolution video.